Hello everybody. Today I will be teaching you how to frontside 180. The only thing you need to know is how to like and subscribe. Just joking. You'll probably just need to only learn how to ollie. So to frontside 180, you want to place your back foot in an ollie position. Place your front foot close to the ollie position with your toe hanging over the toe side of the board. When crouching to ollie, turn your front shoulder toe sides towards the back. You want to wind your body up for the coming rotation. As you start to jump for the ollie, turn your body front side. Look front side, letting your shoulders and the rest of your body follow the rotation. Pop the board and begin the ollie. Your feet will follow the rest of your body in front side rotation. To land, put down the front truck. You can finish up the rotation by pivoting around on the front truck. So if you notice in the video, to make the frontside 180 easier, I land on my front truck and I pivot the rest around. That made it a lot easier for me to learn the frontside 180. I don't have to use the pivot now, but I highly recommend you learn how to frontside 180 with the pivot. A very common problem is one that you've seen where it was a very bad 180, and all you do to fix that is just lean more forwards onto the nose of the skateboard and pivot the rest. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos on how to skateboard, I'll be releasing tons more of content on how to skateboard. So give me a subscribe, comment down below which type of trick you want to learn or which trick you are having struggles with, and I will be sure to make a video on it and give you some tips. So like, comment, and subscribe, please.